Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to get the playing Visual Studio Code Discord status. So basically what you want to do is open up your Visual Studio Code. So as you can see, I have mine right here. It shows Visual Studio Code. So if I disable it, reload required, so it will be gone. So just go to the extensions here on the Studio Code and search for Discord Presence. There, and I've already installed it, so just have to install it, and once you're done, it will automatically enable it. So once we have enabled it, as you can see, it is now showing there, that also here that I'm playing it and stuff, or using it. And once you're done with that, you now go to file that you want, create a file, like text file and stuff, and it will show here that you're editing. You could also edit the Visual Studio Code. Like there, I have the hello there. So you just need to go to extension, go back to Discord Presence, click on Manage here, like the gear icon, and go extension settings. And here you could edit here. So I changed all the lower ones here to hello there. So just change all things with the lower here, and it will automatically do that. So then I go back to my file. It shows what file. So let's say I'm going to set up a language like C. No, I'm working with C, so it can just basically show up there stuff. So I think I see editing a C file. That's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you in the next one.